Welcome, Deronda here with Foods 101, popping in on your midweek to show you how to make a perfectly fluffy potato in the inside with a slightly crunch of skin on the outside in just 3 steps. First, you're going to start off with a russet potato about this size. Soak your potato in water for about 30 seconds. This way we're going to remove all the dirt and grime on the outside of the potato by using a sponge. I'm using a silicone sponge, but any sponge will do. You don't want it soaking any more than 30 seconds. Make sure to remove all the dirt and grit from your potato on the ends, on every single side, and don't forget both ends. Give it a lovely little rinsing and you can see all the grit down in the bottom of your bowl here. Second step, you're going to dry your potato very well with paper towels or a tea towel. You want to make sure your skin is not damp at all, because if your skin is damp and it starts to bake, it's going to start steaming your potato, and it's definitely something you don't want. You want your skin completely dry, so give it about 15 minutes to dry completely. Now that your potato skin has completely dried, we're going to use a paring knife, 2 little pricks, 1, 2. This will help the steam escape while the potato is baking. This is off to a 400-degree preheated oven, Fahrenheit, directly on the middle rack. That's right, you don't need a pan to bake your potato on. Be sure to use a mitt. Safety number 1. Bake for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Use your timer and no peeking. Just took our baked potato out of the oven after 1 hour and 30 minutes. And to test for doneness, you can either squeeze the potato, and if it gives a little bit, you know it's completely baked. And another method is to use your paring knife. You're just going to stick it in the thickest part, and if it comes out like butter, you know it's completely baked. If your knife were to stick in your potato at all, you'd have to put it back in the oven and bake it a little longer. Let's go ahead and see what this potato is going to look like on the inside. Oh, it's going to be fabulous. And as you can see, that skin, you hear the crunch there? Love that. With hot pads, be sure you use hot pads. You're going to squeeze it in two, and looky there. You've got the perfectly baked potato. Fluffy on the inside, yet a lovely crisp skin on the outside. Just look how fluffy that baked potato is. Yeah, and you can eat it however you wish. I'm going to add a pat of butter, maybe 2, some fresh cracked pepper, some salt, add cheese, add chives, add barbecue, shredded chicken, pork. You can make this baked potato loaded however you wish. Give it a try. Wow. I'm telling you, it's the perfectly baked potato you'll ever make. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching. Stay safe, and I'll catch you lovely people later.